How to fix 0x80072EFD error in Microsoft Store on Windows 11 10s. To fix 0x80072EFD error in Microsoft Store on Windows 11 10s, try 1. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Disable your proxy. 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 4. Update Windows System. 5. Clear Windows Store cache by ozreset.exe. 6. Rename the software. Distribution folder. Run these commands as admin. netstop wowserv netstop bits rename c:\windows\soft twa redistribution software distribution.bach netstart wowserv netstart bit 7. Reset or reinstall Windows.